Today we're going over this 20 HP Ariens. Got the model number right there. So literally my issue with this thing is it started getting very, very loud, right? So we're gonna start it up really quick just so you can hear it. Hear that? So trying to investigate what really caused that to get loud. First thing I know, my son drives this and he crashed it. So when he crashed it, you could see the damage here, right? You could see some of the damage here. But the main damage is right there. Look at that, the muffler. See how the muffler system is cracked? That crack is why this thing got so loud. So when he crashed it, it caused it to get very, very loud. So I've purchased a new, right here, I purchased a new muffler. We're gonna go ahead and install it, and we're also gonna do an oil change and hope to get this machine back to normal. Okay, so to begin, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug that light. There we go, it's unplugged. Next, we're gonna go ahead and remove this. Just like that, see that? Comes right off. We're gonna put this to the side. You wanna make sure that the muffler is cool. Make sure it's not hot at all. So I'm letting it cool down, and now we're gonna take it down. Now we're gonna remove these two side screws. That's it. And this comes right off. Next, these two. If it's hard, we're gonna hit this. There we go. Now it's loose. Look at that crack, huh? You just let it fall right there. Now with the new one, just like that. Right in the hole. Very easy. You just want to make sure it lines up properly. So, there we go. That's lined up. I don't see a thread on this. Yeah, there's no threads. So that means, wow, no threads at all. See that? No threads. That means I have to create the threads. Let's see. Yep. Yep, that's how it is. You have to create the threads. Nice and tight. Looks good. Yep, looks really good. So we're gonna go ahead and test it. Wow, you heard the sound difference? Night and day. This thing sounded so different. So guys, that was it for replacing the muffler. Really easy. Now we're gonna go into the oil change.